Welcome to today's countdown of the most dangerous animals in the US and beyond. These creatures may look amazing, but they're also deadly. Let's dive right in. Grizzly bears weigh over 600 pounds, yet can outrun a horse. With claws longer than your fingers, one strike can crush bones. In the wild, they're unstoppable. Wolves hunt in packs, using teamwork and endurance to chase prey for miles. Their sharp fangs and persistence make them feared predators worldwide. Alligators wait silently in swamps, then strike with jaws strong enough to crush bones. Once they bite, escape is almost impossible. Rattlesnakes, cobras, and vipers strike faster than the eye can see. Their venom paralyzes prey, making snakes some of the most feared animals on Earth. The great white shark, growing up to 20 feet, rules the ocean. With razor teeth and unmatched power, it's the ultimate apex predator. Bald eagles dive at over 100 miles per hour, with talons sharp enough to grab fish, snakes, or small mammals. A true hunter of the skies. Cougars hunt alone, leaping 20 feet in a single bound. Silent and powerful, they strike before prey even notices them. Nature's predators are powerful and dangerous, but also vital to the wild. Which animal do you think is the most dangerous? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe.